Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are unboxing the 2025 Fat Quarter Shop Liberty Box. So if you're new to the Liberty boxes, they are seasonal boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop every year. They have all kinds of fun sewing and quilting goodies inside. The boxes cost $52.98 a piece plus shipping, and then we're going to take a look and see what's inside this month's box. At the timing of the filming of this video, they do still have some boxes left, so you'll want to check their website to see if they still have any available. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this year's box. So before we do that really quick, the boxes themselves are actually really cute. I wish they wouldn't have put this label on top of my box. I don't know why that's there. It looks like it had to get run twice, but the boxes are really cute, and you can use these to store your projects in. They're nice and heavy duty, and then they're cute inside. So I also send out your guys' prizes in these boxes, so I do my best to try and reuse and recycle them. Inside the box, they have this insert right here, and then on the back there's information on Quilts of Valor. There's a coupon code for a free 5-inch Americana stacker with a $40 shippable purchase, and then also a QR code on the back if you'd like some more patriotic inspiration as well. That probably goes to their website with all of their fun patriotic projects. We also have our little box insert. Tells me everything inside this month's box, what it is, how to use it, and how much it's valued at. And we're just gonna start off with the first thing that I see. So right here, we've got some cute thread. This is 50 weight Superior Pima denim blue cotton thread. It values at $11.98. It says this 50 weight Superior Pima cotton thread in denim blue is literally as American as blue jeans. Made from American grown Pima cotton and boasting a generous 1,200 yards, this thread is perfect for piecing, quilting, and general sewing. The rich denim blue hue was especially chosen to match the binding in the Gleaming Quilt and works as the top or bobbin thread in your sewing machine. Show off your love for all things Americana with every stitch you sew. So that's a really cool, I love this kind of denim-y blue color. I used to really be into navy. Now I'm kind of loving this one a little bit lately. So lots of fun. And you can actually see I used a similar color in my Heartline quilt hanging right here behind me. And by the way, if you're interested in this quilt, you can still get the Heartline quilt pattern available on my website, and I'll link that below this video. The next thing in our box, this is so cute. This is a Happy Charm Americana flag enamel Happy Charm for Riley Blake Designs. It values at $7.48, and it says the Americana flag enamel Happy Charm is a splendid way to spruce up your bags and totes. You can attach it to your keychain, luggage, or project bag, or use it to jazz up the celebration mini cooler in this month's box. It's guaranteed to bring a smile to your face, and as a lighthearted tribute to Independence Day, this sweet charm is an excellent addition to your summer accessories. I think these are really cute. I love using these on my project bags. You can also stick it on your purse or really just anywhere as a little decoration, but I'm having so much fun with these little charms. The next thing in our box is this really cute Stars and Stripes mini cutting mat by Fat Quarter Shop, values at $10.98. As you can see, one side is denim, the other side is red and white, and it says, "Oh, say, can you see how cute the Stars and Stripes mini cutting mat is? The portable 5x7 cutting mat flaunts a double-sided American flag-inspired design. One stripe features the red and white stripes, perfect for cutting darker fabrics. And then on the other side is a dark blue mat that makes the lighter fabrics pop." So these are perfect for taking your sewing on the go. If you don't take your sewing on the go a whole lot, the other thing I like to use these for is little placemats. So I actually have these little guys all over my sewing room with things sitting on them. It helps keep that thing from either sticking to my windowsills or, you know, getting anything on my regular desk. So I like having these as just like little coasters, if you will, for the other tools that I have in my sewing room. Okay, the next thing, I'll hold it up. This next thing in this year's box is this cute little Spangled mini cooler bag. This values at $15.48, and it says the Celebration mini cooler bag is the perfect companion for a sunny summer picnic day with friends. It's got room for a 6-pack of soda and boasts a festive array of July 4th icons that make it an instant favorite. The insulated material helps keep your snacks and drinks refreshingly cold for hours. Exclusively available in this Liberty box, this cooler isn't just cute, it's super functional too. So here's an example of one of those exclusive items you can't get anywhere else. Super cute. And then it's just got these little zipper pulls on the side, and then the insulation on the inside. So this is going to be really fun. My daughter likes to bring her lunches to work with her instead of eating there. And so this is probably going to be, she's probably going to love to have this. Okay, our next thing is the Gleaming Quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $9.98. It does say there's limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop, so you probably want to stop by and check that out, see if they still have those. It says, make it a happy 4th with the Gleaming Quilt pattern, an exclusive star spangled quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, and it can only be found in this Liberty box. It features 12 stunning stars. This design is not only a showstopper, but also works perfectly with the Fat Quarter bundle included in the box. It also meets the size requirements for Quilts of Valor and is a classic design that will honor a hero. Light up your summer quilting with a gleam this 4th of July. So this is really cute. Finishes at 58.5 by 72.5. Looks like you need some extra fabric for the backing, outer border, and the binding. And let's look inside. I'm not sure if I would really call this beginner friendly, actually. I would say this is probably more like advanced beginner. One of the first steps in here is to cut your squares on a diagonal and then sew those to other things. And as soon as you cut a square on a diagonal like that, you're creating a biased edge. So you're going to want to be careful with this one. Probably pre-starch your fabric or use some Mary Ellen's Best Press or that new acorn starch that I am loving before you cut those squares. That way it'll help give your fabric some structure, but it doesn't look super hard. Just, I would say probably not the best for a beginner. I would go more like advanced beginner for this one, just because you're working with a lot of bias seams. But this is going to be a really cute quilt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fabric that's going to go with it. All right, here is the cute little fabric bundle that's going with this month's box. This is the Gleaming Stars and Stripes Forever bundle by Lori Whitlock for Riley Blake Designs. It values at $34.48. It says, celebrate America's birthday with a bang. Dive into Stars and Stripes Forever, featuring charming motifs like little red trucks, flags, fireworks, glass jar bouquets, balloons, and more. We've handpicked a 12-piece Fat Quarter bundle in stunning red, white, and blue. For your next quilt project, it'll be a real showstopper. So this is really cute. Let's take a quick look at these fabrics. I want to give away this bundle, so I don't want to ruin how cute it is. Sorry if you win this, but I want to show it. All right, so here's all of the prints in it. These are really cute, classic prints. What is that? Oh, those are fireworks. Like fireworks. Super cute. This will make such a cute little quilt. I am such a sucker for patriotic quilts, you guys. I don't know what it is, but I love it. I do one every year. And I've even given some to my mom, so I love these. Anyways, here is your little Fat Quarter bundle. So cute. Okay, so that's everything that came in this year's Liberty box. Now, if you recall, I said they cost $52.98 to start out with. The retail value for this box is $90.38. So that is a really good value for your money, I think. There's a lot of fun things in here. I think I'm pretty much happy with everything that came in this box. And I like the fact that we just get kind of random, but super cute things in these boxes that you just can't find anywhere else. So I'm really loving this. Let's see here. What are my favorites? Okay, I think I love it all. I love the little cutting mat. I love the charm, fabric pattern and thread, perfect. And then that little lunchbox, super cute. So I think I'm really happy with everything in this month's box. Now, I'm going to be keeping a couple of these things. However, I am going to do a giveaway for the pattern, the fabric, and the thread for one of you guys. So in order to win that, I'm going to have a couple requirements here. Number one, you do need to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel to win. I like to do giveaways as a way to say thank you. Number two, leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing is to do for the 4th of July holiday. Leave that comment in the comments below and I will be picking one winner from those comments. And then number three, United States only. I mean, it is a patriotic box, but also shipping international is really expensive and hard to track. So I do keep the giveaways to US only. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. I will pick one winner from the comments below. I will reply to your comment here on YouTube. I will also put your name in the description box below this video. And then if you think you won, please send me an email at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Please don't give your information out to anyone else. All right, that is it for this year's Liberty Box unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Good luck on the giveaway, and I will see you in the next video. And what does it say? We don't know what it says because Erica can't see. All right, our next thing is the American flag Happy Charm. I'll take it out. take it out. I like these boxes because there's always just some really cute stuff in there. So I think that makes it extra fun. What is this? One side features red and white stripes, perfect for cutting. Maybe I should have done that this way. Both sides have stars at the half-inch mark for a notion that salutes your creative. Both sides have a stars. The next thing in this month's mini cooler bag. This value is at $15.48, and it says the struggle's real, guys. Okay. Here we go. And I'm going to try and wrap this back up as good as I can for whoever wins this, so you won't mind, right? Not bad. Look, I got it back together. So that's everything that came in this year's Liberty box. I did add it up to you. I really just love it all, actually. Let's just go with that.